Hi guys, welcome to today's session, and today we're going to discuss about National Commission for Scheduled Caste, that is NCSC. And in this session we'll first see an introduction about National Commission for Scheduled Caste, and then we'll discuss in detail role of National Commission for Scheduled Caste to curb violence against Dalits, and then we'll discuss the steps that can be taken by the NCSC to improve its working. So this is how I plan this session. Let's now start. The NCSC is a constitutional body that works to safeguard the interest of scheduled caste in India, and Article 338 of Constitution of India deals with this commission, and it seeks to offer SC community protection from discrimination and exploitation, as well as providing facilities to uplift the SC community. And some of the functions of NCSC include inquiring into complaints relating to deprivation of rights and safeguard of SCs, and monitoring and investigating all issues concerning the safeguards provided for SCs under the Constitution, and also taking part in and advising the central or state governments with respect to planning of socio-economic development of SCs, and also regular reporting to President of India on implementation of these safeguards. And if you see the history, initially Constitution provided for appointment of a special officer under Article 338. This special officer was designated as the Commissioner for Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes, and 46th Amendment of the Constitution replaced one-member system with a multi-member National Commission for Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe, and 89th Amendment in 2003 replaced this commission with the following effect from 2004, that is two commissions, National Commission for Scheduled Caste and National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. So that is the origin of National Commission of Scheduled Caste, and it is an important constitutional body in our country. Now we'll discuss what are the roles of National Commission for Scheduled Caste to curb violence against Dalits in our country. Like we discussed, the first point is investigation. It is a duty of the commission to investigate and monitor all matters relating to constitutional and other legal safeguards for the SCs, and to evaluate their working, and also they inquire into rights, that is inquire into specific complaints with respect to deprivation of rights and safeguards of the SCs, and they will implement law. It monitor the implementation of various legal provisions in force regarding such occurrences, and also the commission will collect statistics and statistics pertaining to cases under Civil Rights Act 1955 and Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989, and they will establish special courts, that is pertains to setting up of special courts for the speedy trial of offences under Civil Rights Act and the Atrocities Act. And also they monitor the disposal rate, and it means the disposal rates of these courts. Over the years, Commission has conducted several on-the-spot inquiries into complaints of atrocities. So that are the roles played by National Commission for Scheduled Caste to curb violence against Dalits. Now we'll discuss what are the steps that can be taken by NCSC to improve its working. So the first point is it has to strengthen the legal and judicial protection under Scheduled Caste and Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act. There is a need to develop SOPs for filing and investigating cases under relevant laws and make them available in all language at all police stations. There is also a need to reward prosecutors who succeed in getting convictions in cases charged under SCST Act, and there should be an online reporting and tracking of crimes irrespective of jurisdiction, and enhanced training and capacity building of judges, lawyers, policemen, so that they are sensitive to issues faced by SCs. And there is a need for creating internal structures within government organizations to respond to the complaints, just like internal complaints committees for sexual harassment. And second point is to make existing government efforts more effective and participatory. Each ministry is supposed to set aside 15% of its spending in a scheduled caste sub-plan that is SEP, but often their outcomes are insignificant. And NCSE should work with legislators to identify 4 or 5 priorities across all government schemes and reorient all spending around these priorities. And there is also a need to track output of SCP, that is scheduled cost subplan, every quarter or month through a dashboard, just like Niti Aayog tracks development in aspirational districts. And also there is a need to incentivize good work. There can be a monthly recognition and reward for departments that do best in improving the status of SCs. And the next point is improve the engagement with the civil society. Social change is catalyzed through civil society, corporations, and communities. For that, Commission can create a platform for structured engagement with civil society groups working on Dalit issues. And there is a need for NCSE to engage with young representatives of SCs, as their aspirations would be different from previous generations. So NCSE can also help create a network of scheduled caste alumni of IIMs and IITs on such large institutions and encourage them to suggest and implement ideas within and around their organizations that advance economic empowerment of the elites would happen. And next point is facilitating economic empowerment and entrepreneurship. And for that, NCSE needs to strengthen the scheme of reservations in public sector procurement, and it should promote subsidized and short-term management training courses for SC entrepreneurs who want to expand and learn new skills. And the last point here is cultural advancement of Dalits. Jobs and schemes and policing are not the only things to improve the social status of scheduled caste. Cultural advancement of Dalits using new and old media is needed to break stereotypes regarding SCs, and it can reward filmmakers, photographs, or artists who work reflect Dalit concerns or Dalit pride. And so that are the few way forward measures that can be taken by NCSE to strengthen the lives of or to improve the lives of scheduled caste in our country. So that is all for today, guys. It's a very important topic. Please study about this. We'll meet tomorrow with another topic. Thank you for watching this lesson.